Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make lemon pepper wings. Sometimes they're made with lemon pepper dried seasoning. I like to make mine with fresh lemons, freshly ground black pepper, and butter. With just those three ingredients, you can make amazing lemon pepper wings. Make sure you use fresh ground black pepper, not black pepper that's been already ground up and sitting around. It really makes a difference in this recipe, especially because we only have two main ingredients, lemon and pepper. You're not going to believe how easy this recipe is. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. First, make the sauce for the chicken wings. Grate lemon zest right into the pan that you're going to be making the sauce in. After you finish zesting, cut the lemons in half and squeeze the juice. Add butter, fresh ground black pepper, and salt. Stir and cook just for about 2 minutes until the butter's melted and the sauce comes together. The sauce is warm and just starting to bubble. We can turn the heat off. Taste the sauce and add a little bit of honey if you find that the lemons are a little too sharp. I'm gonna add just a drizzle. Now the sauce is perfect. I like to make the sauce in a wide pan like this so it's easier to coat the chicken wings. I've washed the chicken wings. Cut the tip off. You can save this in the freezer for making chicken stock later or soups, and separate the wing at the joint. I've got 12 pieces. Pat the wings dry. We're going to coat these and fry them, so you do want to make sure they're very dry. I'm going to fry these because I want that extra crispy skin, perfect with the lemon pepper sauce. Heat oil in a pan to fry the chicken wings. For the crispy batter, get 2 bowls, put cornstarch in 1 bowl, salt, and ground black pepper. Mix that up. To the other bowl, add cornstarch again and water. Mix it up. We'll dip each chicken wing into the cornstarch, salt, and pepper, and then into the cornstarch and water slurry. The cornstarch will thicken up, so you might have to stir the slurry in between. Be careful of the oil when frying because we are using a wet slurry. Use a splatter screen if you have it. If you have a covered deep fryer, that's even better. Only coat the wings when the oil is hot and ready. Coat it evenly in the cornstarch. Shake the excess off. And coat it into the wet mixture. Make sure the wet mixture drips off before you fry it. The oil is hot. Unless you're using a deep fryer, turn the wings over halfway through cooking. I like to cook all the drumettes together since they take a little bit more time than the wingettes or the flats. This cute little cast iron wok is my latest cast iron purchase. I'm always getting new cast iron pots. It'll fit 6 pieces at a time. This is much smaller than my giant cast iron wok, and I get a lot more use out of it. I'll turn the wings over. They might stick together a little bit, just gently separate them. You can drain the wings directly into the pot with the sauce, or you can put them on a paper towel lined plate, and after you've finished cooking the second batch, just coat them all at once. I made a giant batch of these wings the other day, and they don't get soggy. I coated them after about 20 minutes, and they were very crispy. So you don't have to worry about them sitting around and getting soggy. Heat up the sauce so it's a little bit warm right before you coat the wings. The wings are cooked. I'm going to put them right into the saucepan. I warmed up the sauce a little bit. coat the wings evenly. It doesn't look like that much sauce, but this is all you need because the lemon juice and the lemon zest, it's very strong flavors. You can hear how crispy they are. These are one of the crispiest wings you're gonna make. And that's because of the cornstarch. Now I'll make the flats or the wingettes. Remember to whisk the slurry before you coat the wings. All the wings are coated in the lemon pepper sauce. Add some chopped parsley if you want a little bit of green. You can hear how crispy they are. Since we used fresh lemon juice and zest, these wings have very bright lemon flavor. They're very crispy on the outside and you can see they're juicy on the inside. I hope you give these a try and let me know how you like them. If you want to get a notification of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and all. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.